It's very simple. It's very simple. Some of you are still stuck on initial analysis, directional analysis, guys. It's very simple. You're not always going to be correct about directional analysis. Of course, not. You have guidelines that you follow, which is market structure, which is price action candlesticks, which is agreements, which is conflicts, which is point on in significant areas. These are the tools that you're using to establish the directional intention of the price. But remember, I'm not trading that. I develop a trading plan end of the week. If the price hasn't gone in my direction, I will be upset. Of course not. Yes, I will reflect on my trading plan to see why I wasn't able to understand where the price was going. Was it something that I missed out of my, something I missed because I wasn't focusing, or it just wasn't something within my guidelines? Yes, I will always be reflecting, scrutinizing myself. So I scrutinize end of the week. I will always be scrutinizing myself for the day direction, end of the day, before I develop the trading plan for the next day. But if the price is not going in direction of my trading plan, it's not like I will start criticizing myself or reset myself. It's only that price forms a different intention. That's it. So you wait for the price to position itself in direction of your trading plan, and then you apply the process. That's how that works. It's important. It's very important, because then you'll always have this struggling of, whenever the analysis isn't working in your direction, you'll always be really annoyed, upset. You'll reset yourself. You lose confidence. But it happens with every trader in the world. It happens. It's not just like a price reverse on you. Sometimes you just can't see something in front of you. It happens with every trader in the world. So please understand. So analysis, guys, directional analysis, dollar index here in front of you. Weekly chart, shooting star, huge engulfing candlestick, prices in the bullish market structure, as you could see. So these are the guidelines I'm using and debating them to establish the reasons of my direction. And that's exactly what you guys need to do. The problem is, when I do this, I apply process end of the week and I just carry on. What happened with you guys is, you develop a trading plan, you apply the process, let's say 100%, you have, let's say, a failed trading week, or you devise a trading plan, price never goes in your direction. End of the week, you are just upset and you want to become a student again because you don't have faith in yourself, what you've learned. Instead, you should review the trading plan, try to understand if you miss something, take a note of it, carry on. That's what you need to do, because I also miss things at times. Every trader miss sometimes. That's what happened. So bullish market structure here. Price rejecting from the resistance, shooting star, nice candlesticks. You can predict the next week, last week, where the price, you're expecting the price to be bearish on this because there's a rejection from the resistance level. Price rejected significantly. So I see it's an evening star formation. I can see the strength of the sellers. Price begin its journey from the resistance, but I'm expecting the price to complete its journey there. But that's my intention is. We never know. Now, because of the presence, dominance of the sellers, I'm expecting the price to carry on this journey. That's what I think. This is weekly. Now I'm going to position daily in direction of my weekly. Simple. That's what I prefer. You can always trade the daily market structure in isolation. There are two ways. Establish what you think from the weekly and then focus on the daily market structure, position in its direction. So the example is this. This is a support level. Your weekly analysis is bullish. That's my biases. Now on the daily, I will wait for a lower low formation or a higher low. So I waited for the daily market structure to be positioned in direction of my trading plan, and I've taken advantage. Yes, you can do this. Everyone understands, right? Please confirm. So last week, price came back, price retraces. You could see this. Price forming a bearish variation. Can you see this? So bearish variation is pretty simple. Now the price is there. Well, I am expecting the price based on this. It's not just that my directional analysis is bearish. The daily is pretty much positioned accordingly, in a sense that it's formed a bearish variation. So my directional analysis is pretty much this. Expecting the price to retrace. Your trading plans will always have a retracement phase and directional phase. Retracement phase and directional. So this is my analysis. Yes, price can retrace deeper. Still, this is my analysis. Price can retrace deeper. So the first presumption of that retracement is at the first important daily level. So that's what it is. I'm not expecting the price to break this because of the significance and strength of the sellers present, moving averages, average crossing. Well, I'm expecting the price to carry on its journey to the downside. Well, that's what my expectation is now. In this zone, the next question you have to ask yourself is, and it's extremely important. Are you interested? Ask yourself this question. Please understand. Ask yourself this question always. Are you interested in trading this retracement move first? Or you are interested in trading directional move? Extremely important point, and I've seen students, this is where you can be trading differently than me. That's possible. So guys, we can be different. I would have like a couple of buying opportunity trades where trading plans where you could have decided not to trade the buying direction, and you've decided to trade the sell direction. And that's possible. I am right and you are right. If we have the same trade, intentionally knowing that which move you have selected. So guys, based on the price action, based on the strength of sellers from the weekly, from the daily, moving average cross, I have no intention to take a buy trade on dollar index. Pretty much that's it. So I will be focusing on trading, sell trading direction, as long, the first plan is as long the price remains below this level. That's my first. Then I will review my trading plan, of course, if the price breaks this. Now guys, all I am doing is on a smaller time frames, looking for low high opportunities and take advantage. That's it. Let's say the price carries on going higher. So price start retracing, it just carries on 5 days, Fridays gone. Will I question my analysis? Of course not. I'll review my analysis, try and see at the time of conducting my analysis, was my reading of the price action correct or not? That's it. That's it. If it was, and still the price retraces on me, it's perfectly fine. No need to question yourself. Move on. Please confirm everybody understand USD, US dollar index analysis.
Yeah.
Guys, it's simple and it comes to this. Please understand what I'm going to say to you. It's a joke, what I'm saying, but the problem is it's very difficult for a student to understand. I've done the analysis. I would never have the peace if I'm trying to focus on chasing the price action. I'm not chasing the price action. I am waiting as a sniper for the price to position itself in direction of my trading plan, and that's it. Now guys, it comes to this. Throughout this week, I'm only looking for low high opportunities to take advantage. Now, is it difficult to identify a low high formations? It's absolutely not. You've practiced, you've trained, you've been doing paper trading, some of you have done stimulator, and you guys specifically know what volume is, what low high formations are. That's it. It is exactly the way you should be trading. You guys are complicating sometimes too much, thinking too much, questioning yourself too much. You need to stop doing this. Because dollar index is bearish, hence I am thinking that dollar crosses will reverse this week. That's what I'm thinking. I will just share the one, the Euro USD, which looks pretty decent. It normally, its direction is pretty, it moves against the dollar index. So if dollar is bearish, bullish, bearish, so you can see here, nice morning star formation. On the dollar index, you had the evening star formation, price bouncing from this support level, weekly level. I'm expecting the price to go to the resistance. Guys, when I'm marking my charts, of course, I'm trading a lot of pairs, 12 to 15 pairs I look at because of course, teaching and my trading. So I don't go on to mark the whole charts. I just mark the nearest weekly levels, and I just start from there. So you can see my chart is blank. It's just these two levels are there because if the price breaks this level, then of course I need to look for another weekly level. But you don't have to waste your time Instead, you need to focus on the price action. That's really matters. So morning star formation, because dollar, whenever you're trading US USD crosses, you always start from the dollar index, look at the dollar strength, weaknesses, and try then to establish the pair that you're interested in. If dollar is strong and are you expecting the price, the dollar to go down, weak for instance, and expecting the price to go down, try to establish a pair which is showing you the best bullish price action. This is one of them, morning star formation, morning star formations. What I'm expecting is, again, I'll show you this. This is what I'm expecting. Nice morning star formation, a low high, a mini low high is gone. You could see this in the price reverse here. So I'm expecting this. Now again, same question. You've got retracement move and you've got the main move. Which one you are interested? Well, I have no intention to look for retracement moves on this. As I said, I have no intention to look for retracement move on dollar index. Hence, I will only be looking for buying opportunities. What I'm looking for? Throughout this week, I'm only looking for a high-low formation to take advantage. Now, you've got one high-low formation. You should take advantage of it. That's it. It's very simple, actually. That's all trading is. Now, you have complicated trading by overthinking. That's where the problem is. More questioning, overthinking. I could see some of the guys are absolutely quality traders. You could see it, but they are struggling to be successful because they question themselves. Now, sometimes your intelligence will make you question yourself. You know, those intelligent students sitting in front of the class, always questioning. So again, that shouldn't be the case. So has to limit your questioning, position your questioning in such a way which is more a positive critical analysis, not questioning where you start doubting yourself. And that's important. Guys, wait for retracement on this. So I will like to position daily market structure in direction of my trading plan. Guys, higher low, take advantage. You can retrace further, take advantage. You know the rules of higher low formations. Everybody understands? Please confirm, guys. Pretty simple analysis, yes?
Yes.
100% easy?
Yeah, simple.
Please confirm if everybody understands the analysis, all of you.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
So let's move forward. Guys, I've done these two analyses. That's it. There's nothing more I can do about this. So if it fails, I'm not going to question myself, actually. So please understand, you need to stop the chapter of being a student and keep on resetting yourself. That's it. Now, the next thing is the process. That's where I have to focus on, which you specifically have been learning and learned, which of course I'm not showing in this video again. This is purely analysis, but please understand it ends there. It pretty much ends there. Okay, next pair, move on. Few pairs, US30. Last week, a successful analysis. My directional plan last week was buying, if you guys remember. Guys, I did get my buy trades actually. I was expecting it there. It never gave me an opportunity. The price retraces, yes. And then I started buying it. So I had a huge win on US30. I stick to my directional buys when even the price flipped on this. I'm sure, yes, I am definitely sure the price, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first day, look how the price rejected the first day. My trading plan was to buy on this. My directional trading plan was this. Okay, let me show you. This was directional trading plan. So last week, I was expecting this first, but the price rejected straight in. So the first trading plan was I was expecting the price to look for buying opportunities on this, actually, counter trend. Never gave me an opportunity, price retraces. Has I changed the direction of my trading plan? Of course not. Then, again, I did the buying on this, maximize on. So the one thing I would never do is this. I would change the direction of my trading plan. Okay, would you not change the direction throughout the week. That's not the case, guys. I've made a directional trading plan end of the week for the week. You always have a review session before the new session began, before the day Asian session began, end of the day. So end of the day, I'll review my trading plan and then establish, am I interested in a counter trend trade or I'm interested in the main trade every night. But once I've decided that, during those 24 hours of the day, either the price gives me an opportunity in my direction, I will be trading, or if the price hasn't given any opportunity in my direction, has moved against me, I will never be, it's extremely unlikely that I will change the direction within those 24 hours. Respect that. You need to understand, it's not you chasing the pips, it's you to learn to implement your trading plan, and that's what really matters. Because then you'll know an area that you have to work on. So let's go and quickly on this. Next week trading plan, huge wick, huge formations. You could see weekly. Well, price is at resistance. Bullish market structure, yes, but what I'm expecting is price to roll over on this. So I'm still expecting, so as long as price remains below this level, which is weekly resistance at 2700s, I am expecting the price to test this. The price did test this, 50% of this, but yes, I'm expecting the price, sellers in, huge sellers, that bearish momentum in this. Even this candle showing wick, but this candle closes below the previous weekly candlestick, so sellers are in control here. Moving average began its journey to cross, so I'm expecting the price, hopefully, I'm expecting the price to go down. That's my trading plan is. So let's go into the daily charts. There we are. Now, with this momentum, two possibilities. The first one, if the price retraces first, this is the first, price will retrace straight away. So guys, if the price retraces, I am interested in a buying trade. I'm not interested in selling it. If the price retraces, I'm interested in a buying trade. Now, the possibility, look at this price action. Price just keeps on retracing like this because it forms a price action like this. That's possible. If that happens, I will not question myself. The reason is because I'm giving preference to the price action and seeing this sort of price action next to the market structure. I've always factored in that price action. So my intention is, if the price retraces to begin its week, I'm looking for buying opportunities on that retracement as long the price never breaches this. So as long price remains above this level, I have intention. This is my trading plan. Please understand, it's going to develop two different trading plans and to focus on them. The first one is this: am I interested in retracement? The pretty simple rule is, if the price starts retracing to begin the week, I will look for buying opportunities on this. Again, that's it. I'm expecting a low high formation. Everyone understand this trading plan? Please confirm, guys. First scenario, yes?
Yeah.
Look at this more. Because of the price action present, I can see the buyers are there, so I'm expecting the price, that the buyers will push the price further after the retracement. That's what my expectation is. We'll see how this plays out. My second trading plan is this: price never retraces, it just carries on. I have no intention to buy then. I will let the price retraces, enter the area which is resistance, which is 61%, 78 and 88.6%. And I am interested in only selling again. Please confirm, guys, if everybody understands. That's it. So if the price never retraces back to at least these levels, you're not interested. No. If the price carries on retracing higher without any, carries on moving higher without any retracement, I'm not interested in buying. I will wait for it to give me an opportunity here, a low high formation to look for selling. If the price retraces, I'm looking for a high low formation for buying first. Please confirm everybody understands. Yes?
Yeah.
Right.
let's establish as the retracement. I'm interested in what levels. Yes, we are interested here. If the price retraces to these levels, of course, I'm looking for buying. So this is a case where the price start with going down without any, so prices start straight away going down. That's if this happens, then what's next? Yes, this is also an area, guys. Again, if the price gives a nice price action on this, you can try a trade on this. So if the price gives an opportunity, I will try and see if I can catch the trade. But if the price is a second opportunity, I'm interested in buying there. So please confirm every right. Please confirm that. Yes.
Now, yeah. Wait, why you buying this pair?
Good question.
H1.
This is what I'm expecting on the weekly, guys. If the price retraces, I'm interested in first. If the price never retraces, then yeah, I'm just looking for a selling opportunity on it. Everybody understands? Yes.
Right.
Confirm. Everybody understands, guys. Take this off.
Yeah.
Better. This is better. So let the price up. Okay, there's a. Then you've got. Guys, remember, if you're marking levels, your higher low levels are always the strongest. So yes, the high formation, not the very strongest level. Of course, if it works for you, that's perfectly fine. So yes, this is a point area of interest are these ones. This is a secondary level I'm interested. So yes, if the price retraces, that is a first trading plan in case the price retraces. But this is a trading plan based on this price action. That price retraces first. If it retraces, I'm looking for buying only. That's it. Second case is if the price never retraces, carries on. That's what my trading plan is. I'm looking for selling opportunities. Where? Let's have a look. So price going higher, guys, I have no intention to sell there. If I really see a good price action, why not? But again, the strength right now of the buyers present, I think the price will retrace there. I'm looking for selling opportunities. Yes, if the price gives you an opportunity there, you can, or retraces there. This is a case where the market gives you no retracement on this. But I am expecting, seeing this price action, what I'm expecting is price will retrace, it will go higher first. We will be looking for these buying opportunities. Then here, we are looking for selling opportunities. So everybody understands, please confirm, guys. Yes? Selling there, buying here. It's very interesting. Trade this pair next week if you're practicing. If you're following a pair, follow this pair. It is extremely, really good learning experience for you. Please confirm everybody understands, yes?
Right.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next. Okay, why my bias is price will go higher, guys, based on this. Weekly wick, I'm expecting the price, this wick will show some strength, a push. Well, I'm not expecting the price to break this, but it can, of course. It's a bullish market structure on the weekly. You never know if the price just carries on. But based on this price action, I'm expecting the price not to break the high, make a low high because of this wick. Again, from the weekly candlestick, I'm giving it a factor that I'm expecting the price to retrace first before it goes higher. That retracement can be first like this. So yes, I'll take advantage of this move. Again, guys, last week, pretty simple. We were trading, price was there, two small dojis showing that buyers have exhausted. So my trading plan was based on this price. I'm expecting the price. If the price goes under this 200 to 700, I'm expecting the price to go down. Exactly that what happens. So you can use I use the weekly price action to establish in line with the, of course, market structure and levels. to establish my bias as to where the price is heading, and then try to position the market structure of daily in that direction. So very interesting. Next pair, JP Euro Yen. Weekly market structure is extremely bearish on this. As you could see, the price just carries on nicely. I am expecting the price to hit 116. That's what my expectation is on this. Seeing the strength, seeing the presence of sellers, seeing the momentum, moving average cross, huge engulfing candlestick the week before. Now this engulfing candlestick will show its effect, I'm expecting. So my expectation is this. This is my expectation. So let's go on to the daily chart. Prices here. Guys, I am expecting retracement on this. This is my first trading plan. Of course, my next trading plan is price can retrace deeper. So as long price is below this level, I don't have to change the bias unless as long the price remains below this level in the near future. That's what I think. So am I interested in the retracement? I'm not interested in the retracement. The reason is the seller's momentum is such and so strong that I have no intention to look for these buying opportunities on this. Guys, you might be well be trading these buying opportunities. It's perfectly fine. I might see a clear opportunity. I might take advantage on this, but then I'm trading this leg. Have that clarity in your head, because you're not on the same level as I am. So have clarity in your head which move you are interested. And you'll see again a repeat that I'm never interested in a retracement. Normally, if I see a conflicting price action against it, and I could see the price action, I don't like the price action on this. So weekly chart, I don't like the price action from the weekly, guys. Again, price can retrace. So look for, so if my trading plan is to sell, which is with the trend, so I'll be very comfortable during the week. I might get a trade on Thursday, Friday, Wednesday. I'm just looking for low high opportunities to take advantage. If let's say the price never gives me an opportunity, it just carries on. So it just carries on. That's it. Move on next week. So I'm trading like this, 4-3 pairs. Some of them will definitely give me an opportunity within my trading plans parameters, and that's important, not outside them. Everybody understands? Please confirm, guys. Yes, guys, understand, right? Please confirm.
Yes.
USDCAD dollar index, we discuss. I'm expecting dollar index bearish this week, so my intention is to look for sell. It might well be the price kept on retracing this week and go down the next week. Possible. Nothing in our control then. Guys, huge weekly candlesticks, pretty nice. Weekly market structure is bullish on this reality. I think personally, I still classify this as a bullish market structure, but price is forming like a low high formation. It's like a variational break or something. You can see if you see this. So this is the first trading plan. Price remains below this level at 1.3 to 1.33. Then I'm expecting the price to go to the downside. That's what my expectation is. Now this candle is not completely bearish in nature. It closes above the previous candlestick, but the wick suggesting might be the presence of sellers. So guys, my trading plan is I'm expecting the price to go down. Let's look at the huge evening star formation, engulfing candlestick, shooting star, price rejected at 1.3300. So it looks pretty good. Last low high there. So if I focus on the market structure, we are sitting at a low high formation. So this market structure is pretty much positioned in direction of my trading plan, which is a sell. So it's pretty interesting. We might get a trade on this straight away by Tuesday if the price respected. If I take out the Fibonacci's on this, then it's interesting to see the Fibonacci's falls at 70. So very interesting. So my trading plan is the price, the first target is at 1.3. And if the price breaks this, then I'm expecting the price to go to the downside. So please confirm if everybody understands this. So my trading plan is, so guys, everybody understands? Please confirm, guys. Yes?
Yep.
I'm only selling opportunities on this. But this is easier. This is easier because my daily market structure is pretty much almost positioned in line with my analysis, which is what? If you're selling, you want the daily market structure to be at high formation. Okay, Danny, it's you, brother. If you're looking for buying opportunities, you want the daily market structure to be at a higher low. So it's interesting to see. So the trading plan is this. Very interesting on this. We'll see. This is a trading plan, not an actual stop loss that you'll be using. Well, yeah, this is a trading plan. We'll see how it plays out. Moving on, GBPAUD, interesting price action. One of the best pair that I traded last week. A hugely successful week on this. There you are, weekly levels. There's still some room to the downside at 1.7200. Shooting star formation last week, yes, indecision there, shooting star. But if okay, there is indecision from these candlesticks. Let's look at the totality of the price action. It looks pretty bearish actually. So I can see this. Price can retrace, price can go down. So yes, my bias is only looking for selling opportunities. And I've explained already, the British Prime Minister's view is that he pressurized the Europeans by believing that he is ready for the no Brexit deal. Means they are ready to exit without a deal. Put pressure, which is reality, is not in the best interest of Europeans as well. Now, come from a point of strength and made them believe we will commit a suicide if you're not ready to amend the agreement. And then they might agree to accepting a sort of deal by end of October. But that's what this is how the strategy is. It means we will see the GBP under pressure until October. I'm not expecting any. Do not even try buying this. My personal belief is don't even buy GBP pairs anymore. So let's go on to the daily chart on this and establish a very beautiful price action. My trading plan is this. Am I interested in this? Absolutely not. I have no intention. I have absolutely no intention on this. So I'm looking for selling opportunities, low high formations. I can show you the levels. Guys, these are the levels present. Yes, the first one, area of interest. If it gives you a low high, look for selling opportunities. Further retraces, gives you the low highs, look for selling opportunities. It's going to be a very easy. Let's say the price never retraces. Perfectly fine. Look for a low high, selling opportunities. Again, the quality trading is that you have taken a trade from an area of interest. Now, areas of interest are purely daily and weekly levels, not H1. Sorry, daily, weekly, H4 levels. Everybody understands, guys? Please confirm. Looks pretty good. Yes?
Yep.
Yes.
Good. Now, let me see if I have another pair that I can look at. Bitcoin, very quick view, guys, on this. I've got a buy trade on. I opened an order there yesterday. Hugely bullish price action on this, as you could see. Hugely bullish price action. So I'm expecting the price to go there at 1300. That's my intention is. I'm expecting the price to go there on this weekly, strong weekly candlestick, strong weekly candlestick. I'm expecting these candlesticks, this pressure should give it a push higher. That's what my intention is. Daily price came back into this. So we'll see how this plays out. It can retrace even further. If it does, you're still looking for buying opportunities on this. It's only going to form a higher low formation possible. Retraces further, higher low possible. Look for buying opportunities on this. So yes, we'll see how this plays out. It'd be interesting to see. Guys, there are a couple of areas of interest. I don't think you need another area of interest right now because that's pretty much it. And I'm sure these will play. One of these will actively play. So it's be very interesting. Everybody understands? Please confirm, guys. Yes? So yes, my intention is look for buying opportunities. I'm in a buyer trade. We'll see how this plays out. If the price retraces further in this areas of interest, I'm again interested in buying. No intention to look for selling opportunities on the BTC. And then guys, price was there. I shared the analysis. Position your daily market structure. It's a low high formation. Wait for a lower low or a higher low. So yes, it's like a low high, a higher low, or you can say a low low formation. So yes, you need to position the market structure. It's sort of positional right now. So I'm trying and see if it works out for me. Everybody understands, right? So please understand what I mean by positioning. If I'm looking for buying, look at this. If I'm looking for buying, higher lows, and before the market structure changes, low low formation. Yes, this is aggressive, but that's also correct application of market structure. Mute. And if you're looking for selling opportunities, then your selling positioning is low highs, low highs, low highs, and yes, a higher formation. It's always aggressive, but it's perfectly fine. It must never be a higher low formation. That's important. Everybody understands? Please confirm, guys. All of you. Yeah.
Yeah, but that looks like a higher high formation where you at. You just
This one for me is this. I see a higher low formation. I'm expecting the price to go higher. That's what I think. So yes, it came in. There's a wick here, guys. By the way, so I'm factoring this wick in. So it's not there. It's a wick. So I'm expecting this. So there's a wick, again came back, so it's a high low formation. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I'm sending you the second link for the educational session now. Thank you.